Over 14,000 nautical miles, 21 countries, and 2 oceans later, we're finally arriving in Australia.
We made it!
Starting our journey 3 years ago in Greece, we did not think we'd make it this far. But with a lot of laughter, bad jokes, and countless of jibes and tacks,
It completely baffles me every time I think about it, how far we've come, what we've gone through.
we're happy to say that today we're pulling into Kieran's and our boat's hometown. We're bringing Merewether home to Merewether.
We made it! How are you?
Okay, how are you going?
Very good. It's a little bit windy out here, which is good. Finally we've been waiting after days and days for this. It's like a south kind of east, and it's coming in and it's going to push us just about 300 miles all the way to home, hopefully. Maybe a little bit of motoring at the end, that's alright. And very happy.
Yeah?
Yeah. I've kind of learned to really relax on this sail at night time. I've learned to trust the AIS alarm and really switch off a bit. This sail has been pretty amazing. It's funny that it's kind of the last one before we get home. Maybe there's something to be said there.
It's a bit different, but because different attitude a couple of days ago was we were not feeling good at all and we were over it.
Yeah. A couple days ago we started our sail and we had strong wind coming out of New Caledonia, and I think we had lots of waves with that as well, and we both weren't very happy, were we?
Flashback.
Mercury, how you going?
I'm a bit over it, to be honest.
Yeah?
Sounds about right.
Day 3.
Left on Monday. Today's Wednesday. Thursday.
Wednesday. Well, hello from Merewether. Status update here is that we're a bit over it. As you can probably tell, my face is a bit over it as well. I've gotten these horrible spots. I think it's stress, lack of sleep, and yeah, whatnot. We just made some lunch now, and we're gonna continue watching a movie. Kieran is filling up my water bottle because he's amazing. This is pretty much where we spend most of our days. It's sunny today, which is great. But yeah, these waves. These waves are horrible. They're really horrible. We're in a washing machine. We did see one of the ship just an hour ago, 2.5 nautical miles away, and we barely saw the mast upstairs. But yeah, we're well. Just lack of sleep and a bit nauseous, both of us. Otherwise, we're okay.
End of flashback.
Overall, a happy captain?
Fairly, yeah. The cold has really kicked in as
Yeah.
we've got more south. So all the clothes have gone on and the wet weathers are going on, and it's very different to how we've been sailing over the last couple of years, isn't it? Afraid that the direction was going to be off and we weren't going to be able to point at our destination. But luckily it's coming exactly where it said it was going to come from, which I'm very happy with. Pushing further south than we ever had in Merewether before, we really started to feel the chill set in. 2 years of tropical latitude sailing left us quite soft to the cold conditions. But with a strong southeast wind, we were able to sail right into Australian waters.
And a very good morning to everyone. I am so happy to say that we now see Australia. We finally see Australia, and I am so happy. Yeah, I'm in lack of words. The sail hasn't been that great. I've been very seasick, and yeah, the wind has just been coming from all directions. We've been in washing machine. But now, today, this morning, we see Australia for the first time. We see land, and we have a couple more nautical miles to go. We're scheduled to come in at 2:30, and right now it's what, 9-10 in the morning. So yeah, I'm still struggling a bit. I'm being downstairs and filming this for some reason. We had the engine on because there is no wind. We saw this in the forecast, but that's okay. We just have a couple of more nautical miles to go. I am very, very happy, as you can probably tell. My captain is also very happy. Let's go say hi to him.
Hello, Captain.
A very good morning to you.
How are you?
Oh, fantastic. Got a little offshore breeze coming from the land. Got a head sail up and the motor flat out. And we are getting into port today.
Oh, you see Australia?
Yes, yeah, finally. We have arrived home after 3 years. 3 years, baby. 3 years ago we set out from Greece. It's been a bit of a rough road with the pandemic and everything the way it's been. I'm very happy to be coming home. So I thought I might take a second to discuss with you guys the, I guess the magnitude of today. I bought Merewether in 2017 in Croatia, and never in my wildest dreams did I think that I would get it home. It was like in the back of my mind for a long time, and I never actually thought about crossing the Atlantic, let alone the Pacific. Meeting Isabelle in Greece and hitting it off with her, and it really sparked something in me to try and sail back to Australia, and I'm so happy to say that's exactly what we've done. And today marks kind of the end of that journey, and I couldn't be more happy with how we've gone and everything that we've done. It completely baffles me every time I think about it, how far we've come, what we've gone through. I mean, not many sailors have to sail through a pandemic. I know a lot of people ran home, back to their home countries when the pandemic happened, and we stuck it out, we kept going, we had troubles, we had many COVID tests. We had so many issues along the way with boats, with the check-in process, seeing our families, just with lack thereof. And it's pretty crazy today to sit back and say, we're coming into Newcastle, we're coming into my hometown. We're bringing Merewether back to Merewether. So, yeah, Isabelle, I can't be more happy with her and how she's gone with this entire thing. She still gets seasick. To this day, this morning, last night, the day before, the last 7 days of sailing, she's been seasick. And she just goes above and beyond every day to push herself and to push me and to get us that next step, and I wouldn't be able to do this without her. No way in hell would have I been able to do this without her. And yeah, getting really deep all of a sudden. But anyway, we're just about to pass into the heads of Newcastle Harbour. Newcastle Harbour is a port harbour, a coal harbour, sorry, and so we're going to have to look out for coal ships coming in and out. I'll be radioing the Port Authority very soon to make sure it's all good if we come in, and then we'll be jumping on a customs a customs mooring ball and waiting to be cleared in. Probably doing the clearing in process tomorrow. Isabelle and I are pretty cooked this afternoon, and we're quite tired after our sail, and we're very much looking forward to a stable boat and a relaxing evening. So yeah, happy days. Newcastle Harbour, Newcastle Harbour. This is sailing vessel Merewether. Have you got a copy?
Sailing vessel Merewether, Newcastle Harbour 09, over.
We are 4 miles off the harbour. How would you like us to proceed?
Please advise your ETA to entrance buoy, over.
Our estimated time of arrival is 1:30. Over.
Romeo, thank you, Merewether, that is understood. We have a vessel named HL Boreal who will be entering port at approximately 1315. You can follow that vessel inbound. Please follow vessel HL Boreal.
We are just coming through the heads now, and it's a very good feeling. Very good feeling to come in. Normally I do the walk along the foreshore, but today is seeing it from a different perspective. I'm very happy.
Merewether is coming home to Merewether.
That's alright.
It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain.
Just seeing my family, I think, on shore. I'm not 100% sure.
Just doing a little detour.
Just doing a little detour.
You cannot know from where it came.
We made it.
It's the way you cross the floor before you head on out the door. It's the figure on the wall. So many times I heed the call. It's the silence of the room, the way you turn before you bloom. Another shadow for the blind. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Although I'm running uphill,
Hey!
feel I'm always standing still.
We made it!
Can't remember where I've been. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. I don't know where I should begin. us here. A crowded planet full of fear. It's not the way it's meant to be. We should be happy living free. Although I'm running off ahead,